Visa, stablecoins, and Pi network. What if the next big revolution in global payments is happening on the blockchain? Visa and MasterCard are moving deeper into blockchain payments, especially stablecoins. This could change how digital money moves around the world. Welcome to Pi News World, where we bring you the latest Pi network news and blockchain updates. Visa is reportedly seeking partners to support stablecoin payments and settlements in markets like the US, Canada, the UK, and Singapore. Meanwhile, MasterCard is also expanding its stablecoin strategy after acquiring BVNK. Why does this matter? Because major financial companies are no longer viewing blockchain only as a tool for crypto trading. The focus is shifting toward payments, settlements, digital money, and real-world use. So, where could Pi network fit? First, there is no official evidence that Visa has partnered with or integrated Pi network. However, this global shift toward blockchain payments is something pioneers should watch. Pi network is building an ecosystem focused on users, applications, transactions, and real-world utility. If blockchain payments continue growing, networks with strong communities and real-world use cases could have new opportunities. But this does not guarantee that Pi will be adopted by Visa or other major payment companies. Pi would still need greater adoption, strong utility, reliable infrastructure, and regulatory compatibility. The bigger question is no longer just, what will Pi's price be? It is, can blockchain become part of the future global payment system? Visa and MasterCard are exploring that future. Financial institutions are investing in stablecoins and on-chain settlements, and Pi network is developing its own ecosystem around digital transactions. So, could Pi benefit? Potentially, but only if Pi can achieve real-world adoption and utility. For now, pioneers should follow official announcements and avoid believing unconfirmed claims about Visa and Pi. The race for the infrastructure of digital money has already begun. Could Pi network become part of that future? Let us know what you think in the comments. For more Pi network news and updates, subscribe to Pi News World and share this video with other pioneers. Pi News World. Stay informed. Stay Pi.